it's your boy Robacus, and welcome to The Man from the Window.
It stinks. Up and down old bunny trail. Looking like a double wide surprise.
Anyhow, guys, let's just jump into this. Yeah, we got a new game. Let's go. Oh, that's a big bunny.
I like 'em big. I like 'em chunky.
Dang. Big old box of donuts, too. So creators, was that really necessary? You know what I'm talking about. Man, she looked tired, though. Ooh. Oh, my stars, am I tired? Whew, what a long day. Seems like I keep getting home later and later. But that's just how it goes sometimes. I ain't giving up. I better try and get some sleep. Gonna need to be up and early, bright and early, to cook breakfast for the little one. Oh, here we go. Oh, look, there he is, a little baby bunny.
Mama!
Junior, what on earth are you doing up this late? You know you got school tomorrow.
But Mama, the man from the book is going to get me.
Huh? What man? What book?
The man in my story. See?
Okay, the man from the window. The man from the window? Give it here. Boy, why are you wasting my time with this stuff? What is this job? Alright guys, let me channel my inner Markiplier here. The man from the window is quite the odd fellow, with his big beady eyes and sunken nose. Why, he just wants to say hello. As he smiles from ear to ear, the man wanders the quiet night. Through alleys and backyards he goes, making very sure to stay out of sight. He silently peers through windows, searching for one thing and one thing alone. A new friend is all he wants, for the man is very, very lonely. Once you hear his tap-tap-tapping at the window, you'll know he's found a new friend to play. For now you have only 5 minutes before he takes you away. But do not fret, for staying in one place is the man's only peeve. Keep him at bay for another 5 minutes and he'll surely leave. The man is in his element, doing what he does best. Next he will look under the place where you often rest. The man is indeed very, very bold. Soon he will check inside the place which is cold. The man has no friends, no family, no son, and no daughter. Next he will check the place which holds water. The man will walk, and then he will lurch. The place under the mirror is where he will search. The man has no use for trinket or token. He will now check under the place where bread is broken. Junior, this is just one of them scary books people write. You're too young to be reading this kind of stuff. It'll scare your little mind half to death.
But Mama, I saw him outside. I really did.
It's just a book, sweetie. It ain't real. Now get that content off the bed right now. At this rate, you won't want to wake up in the... Huh?
It's him. He's out there.
Calm down, Junior. Whatever it is out there, I'm pretty sure ain't no monster. Junior?
Yes?
Where'd you get this book from?
It was on the table when I got home from school. You got it for me, right?
Oh, dear Lord, this ain't good. Alright, guys, for us to pull this off, we're going to have to do this real quick. Alright, so, first we got to do this. It's a box of donuts I brought back from my job. Open the box. We need a distraction. Next. How about I take my keys with me? Alright, picked up the keys. Alright, here we go. So, tab. E, 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 E. Okay. So, oh, shoot, my bad, guys. Tab. We're going to do this. Alright, that's cool. It's locked. Alright, so, get Junior.
Huh?
Junior! Follow me now, baby.
Okay.
Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay. Oh, shoot. Alright, cool. This cabinet sink is big enough for Junior to hide. Alright, hide under the sink. Junior, Mama needs you to hide under the sink for a few minutes. Don't come out until I say so, alright?
Mama, I'm scared.
Don't be, we'll be alright. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Tab. We gonna lock the door. Oh, fudge, man, come on. Close that. Now lock it. Alright, cool. Alright. Now we're gonna have to move this couch. This couch is nice and sturdy. I could probably put it in front of the door. Should I do it? It'll take about 2 minutes. Alright, yeah, move it. Okay, last thing we gotta do. I think I can fit myself under this. Hide under the table. Alright, let's go, guys. Let's go. I think we got this. Let's go. It was exactly 2 a.m. when the man approached the front door. The door had been locked.
I'm here for you, boy.
The man spent only 30 seconds ripping the lock apart. The large and heavy couch had been pushed in front of the door.
You and your thick mouth.
It took the man an entire minute to break through the barricade door.
Oh, it stinks. Nice and good.
The time was now 2:01. I think in a half. The man spotted a box of donuts sitting on the table.
Donuts. Don't mind if I do.
The man took an entire minute to eat all of them. He took a sweet time on that, actually. Well, I don't know. Medium speed eating the donuts. Time was now 2:02 a.m. The bedroom door had been locked. The man spent 30 seconds ripping the bedroom door lock off.
Resisting me will only prove to be futile.
The time was now 2:03. So he's wasting time right now. The man looked under the bed,
What do we have here?
but found nothing. The man looked inside of the fridge, but found nothing.
Now you're trying to frustrate me, boy.
The time was now 2:04 a.m. The bathroom door had been locked.
I'm gonna try one more time.
The man spent 30 seconds ripping the bathroom door lock off.
I got you.
The man looked inside of the wash tub, but found nothing. The time was now 2:05. The man's time was up, and he knew it. So as quickly as he arrived, the man surely blew it. I'm just joking. The man from the window left.
Looks like I'm gonna be hopping down the old bunny trail. Right on out. Deuces.
We did it. We did it. That's what I'm talking about, y'all.
Mama, is he gone?
He's gone, don't worry.
Hooray! I knew you could do it. Oh no!
What now?
Mama, he ate all the donuts. I wanted one.
Oh my goodness, child. Don't scare me like that. I'll bring you something from work tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
And Junior,
Huh?
no more cursed books, alright? I ain't up to dealing with that again.
But what are we going to do about the woman from the door?
The who? The who?
Ha ha ha! Just kidding.
Boy, quit playing with me. Boy, you better get your boy to bed right now. What am I gonna do with you, huh? And that was The Man from the Window. I only got 1 star. I don't know how many stars you can get on this. I don't really care. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Like and subscribe if you want to. Shout out to the little nephews and cuz views, and I will see you in the next one.